Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I am very fortunate to be able to do these videos for you. We receive so many positive emails each and every day. People all over the world thanking us for these videos and we are grateful. My partner Natalie, Alex and I were talking about how fortunate we are to have this platform to help people that we may never meet, that we may never see, but that have been impacted in some way, shape, or form when you were down, having that support. And we know that we make a difference because you remind us every single day. And so thank you for all of the positive messages, the support, and the love that you have sent our way. You fuel our fire. We do more videos. And I was talking to my colleague, Coach Nat, about the accountability letter. And one of her clients, I believe, sent her an Instagram message asking, is it possible to lose power by sending an accountability letter and agreeing to the breakup? And I love this question because there's a lot of misconceptions. People don't understand what an accountability letter actually is. And fortunately for us, we know the power of an accountability letter when done the right way, when the timing is right, because it's helped so many of our clients rebuild broken trust, to be able to get the clean slate that they need, and to reestablish a healthy dialogue with their significant other after a breakup or during a separation or a divorce. And it's a very powerful tool because you are not asking anything of your significant other. It is not a love letter. It is not putting them on a pedestal. It is agreeing to the breakup many times, acknowledging some of your shortcomings, and conveying how the breakup has been a catalyst for a positive personal transformation for you. It's a way to thank your partner for opening your eyes to the fact that you were not being your best self. And what could go wrong with that? Because ultimately it's centered around detachment, it's centered around acceptance and gaining perspective. And so if done the right way, you cannot lose power. As a matter of fact, we have helped people who had been very needy, who had lost all the power, be able to flip the tables and to regain control and regain power in their breakup recovery by sending an accountability letter, by accepting the breakup, by acknowledging their shortcomings, and by turning a negative situation into a positive one for you. No matter what happens, you can choose to see what happens to you as a failure. You can let that consume you and bring you down, or you can choose to turn it into an opportunity, a learning experience to help you grow, to help you get to the next step. So can an accountability letter be negative? Can an accountability letter or agreeing to the breakup lead you to lose power in your breakup recovery journey? Not if it's done the right way. Not if it's done the right way. I cannot remember any of my clients sending an accountability letter that we have worked on together, that I have green-lighted and agreed to, lose power by doing that action. Not one time, okay? Because you're not asking anything of your significant other. You're not seeking their validation. You are expressing how they have set you free. And many people don't understand that, unfortunately. And many people think that we advise others, clients, to send a love letter, and nothing could be further from the truth. So if you want more information about our accountability letter, I encourage you to check out our website, wmewithmyexagain.com, and check out our accountability letter audio seminar. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it'll provide you with the vision that you need, the perspective that you need to understand really what we're talking about. And really take the time to inform yourself, to learn about this tool, and to see if it applies to what you are going through right now. Because the goal is not to just send a letter for the sake of sending a letter, of course, The goal is to do so only if it can help you regain control and set you in a powerful position to kind of spearhead or to push forward this breakup recovery journey that you are on today. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Feel free to ask them in our private Facebook group, Love Advice TV community. You'll see a lot of amazing people who have had a lot of experience writing and sending letters that will provide you honest feedback. What you should say, what you shouldn't say, if you should send a letter, if you should not, and why. As always, thank you for your trust and thank you for tuning in. Keep fighting the good fight, my dear friends, and see you soon on Love Advice TV for yet another video.